Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right. Thought I had that thing off. All right, welcome to the live stream. It is 7:36 p.m. in New York, and we're checking in for the December 10th Asia stream. It's December 9th in New York. It's December 10th in Asia, where the Sydney market is already open. We're coming up for Tokyo and Hong Kong to open here at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, let's calm the music down just a little bit. All right, we'll slip into some calm piano while we get into our zone. Let's see where price is. We're gonna see if we can do some skilled trading, responsible trading. This is where the grown-ups trade here at the Barcelona Trader. Okay, so I have put price in a box. I already put price in this box, in this white rectangle, at the close of the market at just before 6 p.m. Eastern Time. It is now just before 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So this is 2 hours of market data on the 1-minute chart. On the spot gold chart, you see that price has had a false breakout to the top of this box, and or rather a failed breakout to the top of this box, and we are back into the range where we started. The price is hovering right on the weekly pivot point at 4208.35. Let's take a little trip around the block here and see what we have in terms of the VIX. It's in an upward channel. Let me get rid of the indicators here, just kind of look at what's going on there. We're at 1693. We were down here at 1534, so a little bit more volatility has come into the market, but not enough to really probably impact much of what's going to be going on tonight in terms of volatility anyway. Here we have the DXY, which is the US dollar as measured against a basket of 7 other currencies, primarily the euro, or at least that's the currency with the most weight in that basket, followed by the pound. Of course, the yen is in there. I think the New Zealand dollar is in there. I think the Swedish krona is in there. I'm not sure, I have to look it up, but anyway, it's an index that I use every day. Maybe I should know more about it if I use it every day, but what's important is that it moves conversely to gold. It moves inversely to gold, excuse me. So when it's going down, usually gold is going up, and vice versa. The same is true of what's here. So here on the right side of the chart, we have the 30-minute DXY on top, the 1-minute DXY on the bottom, and over here on the left side, we have the 30-minute U.S. government bond yield and the 1-minute U.S. government bond yield. Okay, this all seems to be going kind of up, except in the last minute or so here, we've had a bit of a collapse in the DXY. You know, it's a tiny collapse if you look at it in the context of a 30-minute chart, but when you look at it in the context of the 1-minute chart, it looks a little bit bigger. We have over here the 5-minute spot gold chart. So it's looking like we're going to have some trades. I guess my camera's over here. You know, I'm looking at you. We're having this conversation here. Adjust my light. Okay, so, but you're seeing my screen, I think. Let me just make sure everything's working. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, good. All right, we're looking for trades either to the upside or to the downside. To the downside, it looks like we have a little bit of a cleaner run sooner. In fact, something might be setting up now if we're getting ready to drop below here. And it looks like we are. And you know what? I want to go back over here to the 10-second chart because I might not want to miss this move. Let's see if this is really happening. First of all, yep, make sure the trade copier is on. It is. Time is it? It is 7:40. You know, I usually like to wait until Tokyo and Hong Kong are on to even consider taking a trade. All right, if you're joining on YouTube and you want to interact, feel free to type into the chat box. I'm going to make sure we have the right chat overlay here on stream. There we go. All right. What are we looking for here? We have price right now sitting on the WPP, we said, and that is what appears to be the case. We look back over here at the 1-minute chart, so let's go to the 5-minute. So we have the WPP, we're just dipping below that right now. What do we have below that? Don't have anything for a while. We have the DPP way down here at 41.99. So we've got a ways to go. Isn't decisively moving down yet, but it looks like it wants to. And that's a tempting move for me. I get a little FOMO about that because it just looks obvious. But yeah, I have to remember that it's only obvious in my trading windows when the volume in the market and the behavior of the market is the way that I'm used to seeing it. And I see it when I'm trading in my usual trading windows. As soon as I start trading outside of that usual trading window, then the market's doing stuff that I can't predict. I don't have as much of a feel for it. And that's why it's good to have trading windows that you always trade within so that you really get to understand the market that you're trading in a visceral way and in an intuitive way. See, like right now, this shows me that it wants to push down. Normally what would happen during my trading session is it would push down. I'll wait for a little more confirmation here, but if it's going to go down, and I've got a clean trade, it's close enough to my trading session that more volume is coming in, but it's crucial that those markets are open because that's the real volume is when Tokyo and Hong Kong open. right, let's open up the Zoom room. All right, now that we've done that, let's change the camera angle and get into the zone like we like to do. All right, turn off some lights.
What's good, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Anything happening?
Nope, haven't taken a trade yet.
Okay. It's catching up, catching up. Don't look like it did much since it opened at 6.
No, it's kind of stayed in the same range.
Yeah.
Looked like it wanted to come down there for a minute, but then it changed its mind.
Right. Are we on YouTube?
Yes, we are. Yep.
Okay. So you made your nut for this morning, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Got a resistance on the daily pivot. Support. That's keeping it from coming down. And we got the WPP on the weekly pivot that's keeping it from going up.
I don't see a support on the daily pivot.
You don't?
No.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. It's weird.
Oh, wait a minute. I see a support that starts at 4203. Is that the one you're talking about?
Let me see. No, this one starts at 4205 and goes up to 42 almost 08.
Oh no, I don't have that one. I don't see that one. Yeah. No, I believe you. That's right.
No, I'm just saying we should be seeing the same things, you know?
Yeah.
All right, I just sent it to you.
Wait a minute.
You don't see it on yours, right?
Let me look at that closer.
You just have the one support line, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just. Yep. It's weird. This image came to my watch, but not to my iPad or my iPhone. So, but
What?
I see it now coming in, but it's slow. So I can only look
It's
at it
slow,
on the
yeah.
watch. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, I don't see the small one. Nope. Huh.
I think this the small one that's keeping it from getting past 2007, 2008.
Yeah. Right there at the WPP.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's I basically see the same support, but I see it on the 1 minute. Hakadashi. Sounds like E-Man was doing okay with his trading today.
No, he was a little jammed up.
Oh, was he? Oh well, yeah, he was.
Yeah.
He was in that one at 93 for a while, right?
Yeah. He called me today to try and figure out how to lower the what do you call it? Lot sizes on this copy trade because he can't trade at the level he was at. And I said, this is a prime example when I was saying you know, I don't know how many times I have to explain it or tell people that you have to look at every day as an individual day,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Which means you can't take that mentality that you're going to war if the
Right.
market's not there to give it to you,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
And if you get into your mind that you need to get these 10 pips a day, do or die, you're going to get chopped up every time.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
the strategies, yeah, we want 10 pips a day when the market can give it to us.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And he traded it. He came up with something really smart, which I got to give him credit for it. I'm trading $10,000 accounts, right?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
trading
No,
ten
you
thousand
told
dollar
me about
accounts to
this the
make
other day. Yeah.
I just remember, yeah. So we went over that, but in his mind, he's tunnel vision that he's going to go get that $100 day.
Yeah.
But it was choppy days the last 2 days. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you can't force it, and by forcing it, he kind of jammed himself up.
Yeah.
But he one thing about him, man, he knows how to wiggle out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He do know how to come back. He's the comeback king, you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
because he'll take a $500 account and turn it into $3,000 or $4,000 like that.
Right. Yeah.
So he definitely can come back from it. Yeah.
I like you, man. He's a fun guy. Yes.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Music's a little loud, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a little bit. Yeah.
That's the 8 o'clock candle there that pushed down.
Mhm. Goodbye.
I got into a buy, but I pressed the button, and it took like 15 seconds for the buy to register. I thought, oh, it didn't go in, so I just won't buy. And then it's just putzing around. I thought we were coming up, and it actually did show me profit for a second, but there's latency. My system's kind of slow. I don't know what's going on.
You're still in the buy.
Yeah. I'm 110 down. 150, 160, 140. 170, 190, 200, 220. It's going to stop me out now.
What do you got? 250 stop out.
Yeah. It's at 220 now, 230. Just take this. I'm up. Motherfucker.
Yeah. Now it
Yeah.
goes where you needed it to go.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're still on track to do a withdrawal, right?
Yeah. I'm going to take this again, I think.
I'll wait until it breaks a little higher because it's snapping back to the WPP.
Too late. Took 100.
Nice. Still want to go. Coming back down. It's gonna hit. It's hitting over the top of the market since it opened.
There we go again. Looks like we're going up here again.
I'll wait for it to break that 13 because that's the top of the day. And that 14 is the DM3 on my chart. So I wouldn't be interested in it. Look at the 1 minute Hakanashi, the 5 minute Hakanashi. It breaks it, yeah.
DM3, where's my DM3? Oh yeah, we're right on it, I see.
Mine might be a little lower than yours or higher than yours, but it's still that same
Yeah,
rejection.
mine wasn't appearing on my 1 minute chart. I don't know why. It is now.
No. It's trying to break it though. It's a lot of resistance on that daily pivot though. Hold on, let me put you on mute for a second.
You know, on that on that email you just sent me,
Hmm.
Hey, man.
it came to my, yo, what's up, man? It came to my cell phone. It didn't come to my laptop. So what I did was I went back to the one you sent me this morning.
Well, you can't go back to the morning one because the morning is a different link. That's why you couldn't get on.
Right.
You
Now,
can't treat those emails the same way. They got different links for different Zoom sessions.
now I'm gonna go back here and take a look again.
One of my
Not
diet
unless
cokes.
Mike sent me one. Mike, did you send me one?
I didn't send you anything today, I don't think.
Okay, because
No, you don't. Mike didn't have to send you one. It's the same email. He doesn't send me emails every day either.
It's the
I,
same,
I
like,
have it as a series.
there's one.
now here's what happened. This morning, Mike sent me one at 6:40, and you sent me one, Tono, at 6:40. So maybe it's the same thing. So it's the same email. It just comes from both of y'all. And just then, Mike's is on the top, like he's the last one that sent me an email, and yours is underneath there. So that's why I was confused.
I don't know. It's just the same email. You should have one.
Same link.
I mean, it might come to you every day, but if it doesn't, you can just go to the one you looked at the day before and just sign in as long as you're on the right time. You know what I mean? As long as you're on the morning session, you should be all right. If you're on the evening session, the one you just sent me 2 minutes ago that said you
I
can't get
just,
on, it's the AM session.
I just sent it to you how it comes to me.
You see?
What's going on here? Legal terms of policy by clicking agree. That
Okay.
confirm you read our policy. What is this? What is going on here?
Let's see if it's going up. It's stuck in that resistance zone.
Yep. Still early, though. It's going to push through.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, look at the huge resistance that there is there on the daily pivot.
That's what I'm talking about. That's nasty.
Yeah.
You know, that's pretty nasty. Just when you think you might want to run, it'll kick you in the balls.
Yeah.
It's telling you, want to play games? Come on.
Right. Right.
Come on, let's play games.
Yeah. I'm not going to take that trade.
Did you test your copy trade email?
Not yet.
Okay. What the hell did I just do to my system?
Yeah, it's working.
It's working.
Just made $3. Yeah.
Are you gonna trade, man?
No, not anymore. I just took that little $3 just to test the system. But I will be as soon as he cracked this 17.
I know, right? Well, gotta be careful about those resistances, though.
I feel more comfortable taking a sell if it breaks 13 than taking a buy right.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Who's the strongest? Gold is 1.7, even though gold is stronger than the dollar.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll just sit out because things ain't matching up right for me.
1 minute for 8:30. Thirty seconds. Five, four, three, two, one.
Amazing how these pivots work, man.
No.
I don't understand anybody that can trade without them.
A lot of people do.
Yeah. Don't look like it wants to give us anything tonight. Stuck on this. Just stuck. Once it breaks down to 12, I might think about taking a sell.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah.
Really needs to get to 11 though, because it's got this support on the 1 minute.
All right. Not a good night because there's a support on the 1 minute Akinashi that's at about 13.
Yeah.
From 13 to damn near 11, 12.
Yep.
So you're right. You have to break all of that before we want to even participate. And then you have the second blue support on the daily pivot that I sent over to you.
Yeah.
So it's kind of trapped. Tomorrow's a good news day.
Yeah. I'd like to see another movement here tonight before I call it a night.
Yeah. I don't think we're going to get it.
No?
Mm-mm. It's not enough. It's not enough. I guess momentum in the market. There's nothing there. It's just
Yeah.
pip up, pip down. Like no one's trading tonight. We don't have a lot of volume. There's nothing to move it.
Probably get a rate cut again tomorrow.
Yeah. What do we have? We have 8:30 employment. I actually like to. We got a red fold at 9:45 for Canada, which is a rate cut or rate statement, which might move the market as well.
Yeah.
And then you got 2 and 2:30. Look at that heartbeat indicator I was telling you about.
Yeah. On the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's like nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's flatter than flat.
Yeah. I like that indicator. I have it on all my charts now.
Oh, you do? All right.
Yeah.
Good. 2 weeks, I'll be bored with it again, and I'll be looking for something else. Well, you made how much already?
No, I took a loss. I took a loss of 250 or 260, and then I made 100 back, so I'm down 160.
160, okay.
Like you want to drop here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful though. It's coming up on that pivot, the DM3.
DM3.
If it breaks it, we might be coming down. If not, it might be rejecting off of it again.
Yeah, mine is at 13, like 1370, 1380.
Mine's at 14, so it's in that zone. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
even if it broke mine, it still has to break yours.
All right.
Then we have that
So I
support
would
on the
say
1
a
minute.
safe zone would be, yeah, so we're looking at 11, right?
Yeah.
And it's at 15. That means it's got to creep down 4 pips. I'm not interested tonight. Gold is stronger than the dollar. That's my first key why I shouldn't be selling, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's worked its way up from 207 to 218. It's closer to 218 than it is to 207, which tells me that it's still on the upside.
I need to get an indicator that tells me when gold is stronger than dollar, dollar stronger than gold. I like that original one we had. Remember that one? It was the YPN. What's called the Japanese yen?
Why don't you have that on your thing?
Remember it was I think you gave it to me and they started charging. Something happened. I can't remember.
Oh yeah. I don't. Yeah, you're talking about the FX trend and FX power. FX trend, FX power. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You could get it from Marketplace if you really want it.
Okay.
Rock had a problem getting it. He paid for it and he still couldn't get it on his chart for some reason. I don't know why.
What's that? The what? What
The
indicator?
FX trend,
Oh. Huh.
the MT4 FX trend indicator.
Yeah.
All right,
All
here
right.
we go.
Oh, here we go. A monk, a priest, and a rabbit walk into a bar. And the rabbit says, I think I'm a typo.
What the heck is this now?
Type of wood.
A typo.
I know.
Because it's supposed to be a rabbi. It was a rabbit instead.
That's probably the corniest joke I ever heard.
No doubt.
Where did that joke come from, man?
I made it up the other day. That was funny.
You made it up?
Yeah.
But now we understand.
It's got something to it, but man.
Hey, Mike, saying you made it up is funnier than saying the joke.
It is, right? It's actually funny now that you made it up.
Yeah, it's actually funny that you made it up. Or at least that you told us you made it up.
You ever see this comedian? He was on America's Got Talent, and all of his tricks were like so bad that people were just dying laughing. And that was his purpose was to do such bad tricks that the crowd couldn't help but laugh.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Mike, that was you jumping?
Yep. I
Yeah,
got
I'm
into-
also in.
I took a sell.
We took it about the same time, but it looks like it's gonna fuck us.
Yep. Oh, this is really gonna chap my ass.
Then it's gonna drop.
Playing like it wants to go back up.
There it is.
It's gonna screw us. Oh, it's gonna screw me. It's not gonna screw you.
You might screw me because I don't want to hang around. You know what I mean?
Oh, you're still gonna put a pending hedge in. I think I need to, if it comes back down here a little bit, I need to get out, even with a loss.
Just take a smaller loss, right?
Yeah, if I can.
at 12. At 12, something's there that's just not letting it come through.
Yeah. I could take this $110 loss now.
Yeah, you don't see anything, Tono, that's stopping
No,
it.
there's nothing stopping it. It's just, I mean, if you look at the last candles going across, you can
Small.
see,
There's something stopping it. We
They
just
just
can't see
small.
it.
yeah. I mean, there is a support on the green support line on the 10-second chart and on the 1-minute chart. That's
So,
there. That's could be part of the problem. Gold is losing a little bit, but so is the dollar.
Come on down, Chubby. Should I take this $80 loss?
Feels like it wants to come down, but at the same point, it's showing us that it's going up.
Yeah.
I couldn't bring myself to take the $14 loss.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
You know, which I probably just should have,
Just the
and,
thing is, do we
called
think
it a night.
do we think it's going down or do we think it's going up? $80 loss now, $70, $80, 60, 50. Come on. 60, 70, 50. God, I'm tempted to just take this little loss.
It's actually moving a little bit though. Maybe you should just take it.
Come back down here, motherfucker. Don't do that.
I could have got out with a $2 loss. I should have just did it.
I could have got out with a $40 loss.
See what happens at 9.
I'll probably be out of this trade by then, one way or the other. Yep, stopped out.
y'all just jumped out of it.
I'm still in it.
Oops, I did not mean to do that, but whatever.
Accidental buy.
Yeah.
It'll pay off for you.
No, well, it's gonna now it's gonna turn around and come back down. That's what happens.
Tell me about it.
That's exactly what it's doing.
Do you have this on YouTube? Is this on YouTube tonight?
This is yep, this is. Yep. I need to
Okay.
get out of this. I shouldn't be in this trade. This was an accidental trade.
I think it'll pay out for you.
It's dangerous because you got in at the DM4, DM3.
Exactly. Yeah.
And all that resistance above it.
Yep.
So, yeah, be careful.
Like the market been building for shoot up for the past all this week, really.
I just got to take the 10 or whatever that was that it gave me.
All right. Couple of minutes to 9.
Yep. All right, 1 minute to 9.
here? Who's almost here? Who's coming? Who? Hi. Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? Think it's Gaga? Not Gaga. Think it's Toby? Toby. Think it's Papa Jim? Think it's Papa Jim?
There's 9.
Yep, that's 9.
Doesn't look like it did anything. It's going up. Going down.
I think it's time to call it. I don't think we're going to take any trades.
Yeah, nothing else is happening there. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm down. I'm down 400
All right.
bucks, but I'm just going to have to leave it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Live
I'll
to
see
trade
y'all
another
tomorrow.
day.
Yep. I'll
All right,
catch you
brothers.
guys in the morning.
Peace.
All right.
All right, see ya. All right, YouTube, I think that's going to do it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Today was a losing session, but we're going to have to leave it as such. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 7:30. A little bit before, about 7:15 actually. And we will trade the New York session. It's going to be a long session tomorrow because we have, well, I don't know, we'll come and go, I guess, because we have a lot of news at different times. Anyway, we will see you tomorrow. I just placed a buy. May as well watch the trade play out. If it goes against me much more, I'm just going to get out. Well, that is too bad. It looks like it's going down. I'm going to have to take the loss. Looking challenged on the way up. A lot of resistance here. Don't know why I took this buy. Perhaps I'll die. Alright, I could get out now, like a sane person would, before it decides to come back down. Or I could stay in it and see how much can I get out of this before it comes down and wipes me out. Right now we're below water again. So I don't like that. Why did I do that? See? This is the part of psychology that really is tricky. Greed, fear, greed, fear. Come on, pop up. Pop up and let me out with just a little bit.